What it do? Welcome back to the channel. My name is C-Rod. I am a card addict and this is 2022 Bowman's Best. Let's open it up. This is going to cost you about $150 at your local hobby shop. Comes with 2 mini boxes. Each mini box has an autographed card inside. If you watched my earlier video, we just opened Bowman University Chrome. It's a great product, so hopefully we can pull some awesome autos. If we're looking for top people who went in the top rounds of the draft. Each box contains 6 packs. Each pack contains 5 cards, so 30 cards per box. Next year, we'll be chasing all these rookies and their professional jerseys. All right, let's start with the base. All right, here's our first inserts. Taylor Van Dyke, Neon. Nice. And then a Joey Porter Jr. Nice. Let's keep moving. Remember, we get 2 autos, 1 per box. So we still have an auto coming in this box. Hopefully we get somebody big. Here's a Bowman Masterpieces. That's pretty nice. Kind of got a silver refractor on it or something. Then we got a Campus Captains. These are pretty sweet looking inserts. I really like them. Pretty nice. And then a silver Zach Evans. All right, let's keep going. All right, moving along. Again, everybody, these inserts are really sweet looking, and this is a great set. I highly recommend it. This and Bowman Chrome University are great sets, and I really enjoy these cards. And you know, if you flip these cards, you're always almost guaranteed to make your money back unless you pull some bad stuff like these cards are a gamble. Here we go. Here's your base cards. Looks like we got some kind of green refractor coming up. And it's a green refractor of Jack Sawyer. And then a Will Rogers silver refractor behind it. Let's see what this is number to. Number to 99. So that's pretty sweet. Nice. Our first numbered card, and it's a good one. I like it. Let's keep moving. I'm not sure if this guy was drafted or who he was drafted to, but pretty sweet card. And our Will Rogers silver refractor. All right, moving on to through the box. What do you guys think? Do you like this product so far? I know I do. Still haven't hit that first auto. Looks like it's in this pack right here. Let's see what we got. Here's our base. And then it's gonna be a refractor auto. Or is this the auto? No, it's not. It's a Fight Song. And then it's a silver Nathaniel Dell. Like I said, guys, these inserts are awesome. Here's the Fight Song insert. Isn't that a cool looking insert? Pretty cool looking card. If you like any of these cards here, click the link below and check out my eBay store. I'm going to post all these cards that you see here, and we're one of the best eBay stores to get singles. So if you like any of these cards, remember, click the link below. Let's keep moving. These Fight Song inserts are sweet. Here, let's give it another look. I really like that. What do you guys think? Pretty sweet. All right, moving on to the next pack. Oh man, I would really like to pull something huge. We still have an auto coming up, and it's either in this pack or the next one. Hopefully we pulled maybe a Caleb Williams or a Bryce Young. That'd be great. I'm kind of struggling to get this pack open. All right, here we go. Here's our base cards again. Oh, this is probably numbered. Looks like a sparkle. And then campus captains. No, it's not numbered, but it's a silver sparkle. Look how sweet it looks in the light. And then campus captains, and then a silver. Great inserts, beautiful insert. All right, last pack of the first box, guys. You know our auto's gonna be in here, so let's see who we get. Remember, you get one auto per box, so this is one auto here, and there's one auto there. All right, hopefully it's a number. All right, let's see. Wouldn't mind having an auto with this guy. And so here it is right here, I believe. Let's see what we got. Brian, I'm not sure how to say his last name. There it is. Is this behind that we got a silver. Here's our auto. Is this a numbered card? No. It's not numbered. He's a tight end. Huh? All right, let's keep going. I don't watch a lot of football, guys. Tell me, is this guy any good? I don't know. We'll see how long he lasts in the eBay store. Remember, when you click the link and go into the store, these cards really don't last long. They go really fast, so if you see anything you like, you better click fast. And here's our silver card. All right, coming into the next box. Haven't really hit anything extravagant yet, so let's see how it goes. It also hit triple autographs, so hopefully we pull one of those in this box. Let's keep going. Oh, I would really like to get a triple autograph. I believe he's on one of them. Speaking of him again. Nice, CJ Stroud. Cool. Let's keep going. And here's our silver. Again, these inserts are really awesome looking. They also have some really cool die cuts that look like Gunslinger Walnut posters. So those are also pretty cool. Let's keep moving into the next pack. Here's our base. Here's our first insert, campus captains, and behind there, silver Nolan Smith. All right, let's keep moving. We got one number card so far, so hopefully we pull some more number cards in this box. And again, maybe we can get that triple auto. Here's a blue, Jordan Battles. Nice, that should be numbered. Here's our silver. And it is, it's numbered to 150. So, just as I asked, I shall receive. That's a good card. Let's keep going. All right, we're halfway through. The last pack had our auto. Maybe the same thing will happen again. And looks like we got something in this pack. All right, let's see what we got. Get past this base real quick. And it's another fight song, Lou Anderson. Behind it, probably a silver. And it is. Fight songs are dope. All right, let's keep going. All right, second to the last pack. I hope, again, maybe we can get a gold. How about a gold card? It's been an okay box, and I think it's a great product, but we haven't put anything great yet. I think maybe we have a die cut in here. All right, we probably have one of those die cuts that I told you about, so let's check it out. And Dylan Gabriel, Gunslinger die cut. And nice. These are isn't that sweet looking? That's a sweet looking card. Are they numbered? No. But that's pretty cool. And then behind that we have Campus Captains and then another silver. All right, let's keep going. These right here too are also awesome looking inserts. Here's another look at the Campus Captains. Nice. I really like these Gunslinger die cuts. Here's another look at them. How they look burnt. And just awesome looking. All right, let's keep going into the last pack. All right, again, the auto is in the last pack, just like last time. All right, give us a triple auto or a gold or something amazing. Here we go. Last pack mojo. All right, something amazing, something amazing. Here we go, something amazing. And it should be under here. It is. Doesn't look numbered, unfortunately. We got... And then a silver. Well, there it is. I don't watch a lot of football. I look at the prices, and I didn't see his name a lot in the sales. But tell me, guys, is he a good pick? All right, here's a recap of what we have. Here are the silvers. I mean, did we get the best box on the shelf? No, I don't think we did. But did we get the worst box? No, I don't think we did either. And I can honestly say I don't feel disappointment with my buy. So, again, there's probably better boxes. There's a lot cooler stuff. I wish I could have showed you guys, but again, as you can see, it's a great buy for your dollar. So I guess I could give it 2 thumbs up, and I recommend it. Look at all these cards we got. A ton of cards. You know. And these inserts are just awesome looking inserts. You know. I really like them. Here are the fight song inserts. Fight song, I mean. Nice. Only got one masterpiece. Here's our Gunslinger die cut. Here's our spackle. Here's our green. $150. And here's our 2 autos. So overall, I think it's a great product. I'd probably buy another box because I'm really hunting those triple autos and gold cards. So I would really like to get one of those. But I think it's a great product. And overall, I have to say 2 thumbs up. Like and subscribe.